Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's continue with the remaining portion of your preparation of haloarene followed by the reactions of haloarene. Okay, so let's give the heading haloarenes for today. This is a new section in this second chapter, haloarenes. Right. Okay, we will now learn about the preparations of haloarenes, about the various methods for the preparation of a haloarene. So preparation, let's give the heading prep. Right. Okay. The first preparation is the preparation which you are quite familiar with in the class 11 section. You have learned it. It is from the direct hydrocarbon you can obtain by using a Lewis acid like FeCl3 like that. So in this reaction, let us give the heading from hydrocarbon. Okay, so in this, so from hydrocarbon you need a benzene ring. Okay, so you are preparing a aryl halide, so this benzene ring will form the part of your aryl halides. Okay, so let's make the bond of benzene. These are the bonds of benzene. Here you treat it with either anything. You have learnt about your FeCl3, you have learnt about your FeBr3 or anhydrous AlCl3. So let us now for the time being work with FeCl3. So when you are taking FeCl3, obviously it will be your chlorobenzene, right? So this is your chlorobenzene, right? Now in place of FeCl3, the reagents which you can take, I am writing out here reagents. Okay, reagents for this. Okay. Now for this I have taken FeCl3, but there are also some other reagents which you can take to perform these reactions. Okay, so the reactions include mainly your FeCl3, okay, FeBr3. You can also take your anhydride AlCl3. Also you can take FeBr3 and so on, many more. Okay, you can also take, this is ZnBr3. okay, ZnBr3. okay, you can also take anything like you have also FeCl2 or you have BF3 like that. So this was about the preparation from your hydrocarbon. Let's take another example of this category. Examples, for example, benzene ring. Okay, so this is the benzene ring. Okay, when I take FeBr3, okay, so obviously bromine will be added. Okay, so let's make the structure. This is the structure. So this is your from the hydrocarbon part of preparation. Okay, next we will come from the hydrocarbon under this, but demerit of this is iodination cannot be performed by this. I hope it's visible. Right. Okay, so what I have to perform for iodination? For iodination, I am doing it over here. I use the heading iodination. For iodination, you take the same benzene ring. Okay, you take I2, and in presence of AlCl3, you get iodination product, which is your iodobenzene. In case of AlCl3, you have taken AlCl3 for this case. You can also take the nitric acid. Okay, HNO3. Okay, right? Or okay. So this was from the preparation of your haloarene from the hydrocarbon. Now we will move to the diazotization process for the preparation of your haloarene, which is from the aniline. Okay, So let's do preparation from aniline. So preparation from aniline. Okay. Now this is a very important compound. We are going to form the benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. So what we do here, we take an aniline. Okay. This is aniline. When you treat it with NaNO2 plus HCl, okay, this thing is formed. Okay, this is called the benzene diazonium chloride. This is a very important compound. Why? You will understand just now. You get it? This is called benzene diazonium chloride. Okay. This CO2 minus. Okay. Now from here you can prepare anything. Okay. So let's change the color of the pen. Let's take the blue color. So I'm sorry. Yes. So from benzene diazonium chloride, if you treat it with CuCl, okay, if you treat it with your CuCl, this is called the Sandmeyer reaction, and in presence of HCl you get chlorobenzene. Okay, this is a chlorobenzene. When you treat it with Cu plus HCl, you get chlorobenzene again. Okay, when you treat it with Ki, it is called iodobenzene. Okay. Okay. Now for this, when you are treating with HCl2Cl2, it is called the Sandmeyer reaction. Okay. Now in Sandmeyer reaction, if you want to perform the bromination of the hydrocarbon or the benzene which you have taken, you can also take anything like Cu2Br2 in presence of HBr. So you can give another type here, Cu2Br2 in presence of HBr. So this thing is formed. And this is called bromobenzene. Okay. This one is also your Sandmeyer reaction. So let's write here Sandmeyer. Okay. This one is called your Gattermann reaction. Right? And this one has not got any specific name, so leaving it as it is. Okay. Now in Gattermann reaction, if you want to perform the bromination also, you can do this. So let's make a branch and write here, because I am lacking space. You take Cu plus HBr, you get bromobenzene. This one is also your Gattermann reaction. Okay. So this was about the preparation from the aniline, and this was all about the preparation of your hydrocarbons or the aryl halides. Okay. Now among this, if you have noticed, I have not mentioned the preparation about your fluorine. Fluorine has an exceptional method of preparation. So for that, we will prepare fluorine from benzene diazonium chloride only. So for that, let's erase this portion first. Okay. Okay. So for the preparation of fluorine, you have to take the HbF4. Okay. So let's take from here, you have to treat it with HbF4, hydrogen fluorochlorate. So when you treat it with HbF4, you get fluorobenzene. Okay. Now this reaction is called Bartsch-Kiemen reaction. SCHIEMEN reaction. Right? Now this reaction is called Bartsch-Kiemen reaction. SCHIEMEN reaction. Right? Now this reaction is called Bartsch-Kiemen reaction. SCHIEMEN reaction. Right? Now this reaction is called Bartsch-Kiemen reaction. SCHIEMEN reaction. Right? I missed out a thing while preparation of this benzene diazonium chloride. You have to remember that this thing is done is in 0 degree to 5 degree centigrade, and the process is called diazotization. Diazotization. Okay, and this one is the diazonium salt. Okay, it is also called diazonium chloride. Anything you can call it. This one is a diazo product. Okay, so this was all about the preparation of your haloarenes from the various technique. We have learned about the preparation from the direct hydrocarbons, where we have taken FeCl3, FeBr3, anhydrous AlCl3, ZnBr3, like that. We have directly taken the benzene ring. We have taken that reagent which I have mentioned just now, and the required product we are getting like that. Another one, we have learned about the preparation of your hydrocarbon from your aniline. Okay, so what happened in aniline? We are doing nothing. We are taking the aniline, we are performing diazotization with the help of NaNO2 and HCl, and the product which is formed is called benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, so it is benzene, and at the upper portion there is N2 plus and Cl minus. We have to remember that this process is called diazotization, which occurs at a very cold temperature, which is from 0 to 5 degrees centigrade. After the preparation of your benzene diazonium chloride, if you treat it with Cu2Cl2, in presence of HCl, you get the chlorobenzene. If you treat it with HCU2Br2 in presence of your HBr, it is called your bromobenzene, the product which is obtained, and these two reactions are called the Sandmeyer reaction. Okay, now if you treat it with your Cu plus HCl, you get chlorobenzene, but this reaction is now called the Gattermann reaction, where you are taking only Cu plus HCl. Okay, now in this case, if you are again taking Cu plus HBr, you are obtaining bromobenzene. This one is also called the Gattermann reaction. In the end, we have learnt about the preparation of your fluorobenzene, which is from the HBF4. We are treating the aniline product, means the product of diazotization of aniline, which is the N2 plus Cl minus product, or the benzene diazonium chloride. More specifically, we are treating the benzene diazonium chloride with HBF4, and we are getting the fluorobenzene. So this was all about the preparation of your haloarenes. So in the next lecture, we will learn about the preparation of your, not the preparation, we are going to learn about the various kind of reaction of your haloarene, where we will learn about the Fittig reaction, Wurtz Fittig reaction. There is also reaction with copper, lithium, like that, formation of diphenyl. Okay, and at last we will end it with the electrophilic reactions, electrophilic substitution reaction of your haloarenes. So up to then, keep studying. All the very best.